Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's taking the digital world by storm: making money with AI on YouTube Shorts. If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence can elevate your content creation game, you're in the right place. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can help you craft engaging, high-quality videos in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Imagine having an AI assistant that can generate ideas, edit your footage, or even suggest trending topics tailored to your audience. This technology is revolutionizing the way creators approach their content, making it easier than ever to stand out in a crowded space. But it doesn't stop there. The potential for income generation through innovative AI applications is immense. YouTube Shorts, with its bite-sized format, is perfect for quick, engaging content that can go viral. By leveraging AI tools, you can optimize your videos for maximum reach and engagement, ultimately driving more views and subscribers to your channel. Whether it's through automated editing software, AI-driven analytics, or even content generation, the opportunities are endless. In this video, we'll explore various ways you can harness the power of AI to not only enhance your content but also create new revenue streams. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of making money with AI on YouTube Shorts, stick around. Understanding AI tools. In the ever-evolving landscape of content creation, understanding the right AI tools can make all the difference, especially when it comes to creating captivating YouTube Shorts. Let's explore some popular AI tools that can assist you in this journey. One standout is ChatGPT, which can help you brainstorm ideas, write engaging scripts, and even generate catchy titles for your videos. With its ability to understand context and produce human-like text, ChatGPT can be your go-to assistant for crafting compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Another powerful tool is DALL-E, an AI model that generates stunning visuals from text prompts. Imagine being able to create eye-catching thumbnails or unique graphics for your shorts without needing advanced design skills. DALL-E can help you bring your creative visions to life, making your content visually appealing and more likely to grab viewers' attention. These AI tools streamline video production by automating time-consuming tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your creativity and message. By integrating these technologies into your workflow, you can produce high-quality content more efficiently, giving you a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of YouTube Shorts. We encourage you to experiment with different AI tools to discover what works best for your style and audience. Each tool offers unique features that can help you create distinctive content that stands out. So, don't hesitate to dive in and unleash your creativity with the power of AI. Content ideas using AI. When it comes to creating engaging YouTube Shorts, leveraging AI technology can open up a world of creative possibilities. One of the most effective ways to get started is by using AI to generate trending topics and scripts. Tools like ChatGPT can analyze current trends and suggest ideas that are not only relevant but also likely to resonate with your audience. By tapping into what's hot right now, you can create content that captures attention and drives views. Another exciting avenue is the creation of AI-generated animations or visuals. Platforms like DALL-E allow you to create unique graphics based on your ideas, which can be particularly useful for making your shorts visually appealing. Imagine having custom animations that illustrate your points or enhance your storytelling, all generated with just a few prompts. This not only saves time but also adds a professional touch to your videos. However, while exploring these creative avenues, it's crucial to focus on niche targeting. Identifying a specific audience can significantly maximize your views. By tailoring your content to a particular niche, you can build a loyal following that appreciates your unique perspective. AI can assist in this process by analyzing audience preferences and suggesting content that aligns with their interests. In summary, using AI for generating trending topics, creating stunning visuals, and focusing on niche targeting can elevate your YouTube Shorts to new heights. So, get creative and start experimenting with these innovative ideas today. Monetization strategies. As you dive into the world of YouTube Shorts, understanding monetization strategies is essential for turning your creative efforts into income. One of the first steps is enabling ads on your shorts. YouTube has introduced ad placements specifically for shorts, allowing creators to earn revenue from ads shown during their videos. To get started, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, which includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel. Once you're in, you can start earning from ad revenue as your shorts gain traction. Another lucrative strategy is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services relevant to your content, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. This approach works particularly well in shorts, where you can create quick, engaging reviews or demonstrations that encourage viewers to check out the products you recommend. Additionally, consider the potential for sponsorships and brand collaborations. As your channel grows, brands may reach out to partner with you for sponsored content. This can be a fantastic way to earn money while promoting products that align with your audience's interests. However, the key to successful monetization lies in building a loyal audience. The more engaged your viewers are, the more attractive your channel becomes to advertisers and sponsors. Focus on creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, and you'll find that monetization opportunities will naturally follow. So, start implementing these strategies today and watch your YouTube Shorts journey flourish. Engagement and growth. Engaging your viewers and growing your YouTube channel are crucial steps in building a successful presence on the platform. One of the most effective ways to foster engagement is by actively responding to comments and feedback. When you take the time to reply to your viewers, it shows that you value their opinions and encourages them to interact more with your content. This not only builds a sense of community but also increases the likelihood that they will return for future videos. Another powerful strategy is to utilize AI analytics tools to track your performance. These tools can provide valuable insights into viewer behavior, helping you understand what content resonates most with your audience. By analyzing metrics such as watch time, engagement rates, and demographics, you can tailor your future shorts to better meet the preferences of your viewers. This data-driven approach can significantly enhance your content strategy and drive growth. Additionally, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. Partnering with fellow YouTubers can expose your channel to new audiences and expand your reach. Collaborations can take many forms, from joint videos to shout-outs, and they often lead to increased subscribers and engagement for both parties involved. In summary, engaging with your audience, leveraging AI analytics, and collaborating with other creators are key strategies for growing your YouTube channel. By implementing these tips, you'll not only enhance viewer interaction but also set the stage for sustainable growth in your content journey. So, start connecting and collaborating today. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed about leveraging AI to enhance your YouTube Shorts. We explored how AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E can streamline your content creation process, from generating trending topics and scripts to creating stunning visuals. By incorporating these technologies, you can produce engaging videos that stand out in a crowded space. We also delved into various monetization strategies, including enabling ads, affiliate marketing, and seeking sponsorships. These approaches can help you turn your creative passion into a profitable venture. Remember, building a loyal audience is essential for maximizing your monetization potential, so focus on engaging with your viewers and responding to their feedback. Additionally, we highlighted the importance of collaboration with other creators and utilizing AI analytics tools to track your performance. These strategies can significantly enhance your growth and engagement on the platform. Now that you're equipped with these insights, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Lastly, we invite you to explore more of our videos related to AI and monetization strategies. There's a wealth of information waiting for you that can further enhance your journey in the world of YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.